Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to create a mobile version of her Wings website. With more user browsing on their phones, having a mobile-friendly site is essential. So let's get started. First, log into your Wings account and open your website in the Wings Studio. So for example here, I'm going to open my website. And once you're in the editor, you will notice a mobile icon at the top of the screen. So click on this icon to switch to the mobile editor. The mobile editor lets you customize how your site looks on mobile devices. The interface is similar to the desktop editor, but is specifically designed for mobile optimization. You'll see the mobile version of your site in the main window and the tools and options on the left sidebar. Now start by adjusting the layout and elements for mobile. Some desktop elements may not look right on the smaller screen, so you can click on any of the element to basically move, resize, or delete it. And you can also use the toolbar to adjust alignment and spacing. Not all elements are necessary for mobile versions of your site. So to hide an element, for example here, I'm going to click on this image or this element, and then here I'm going to click on the three dots, and then from here you can click on the hide button in the toolbar, and then it will be hide. So hidden elements will still appear on the desktop version but will be invincible on mobile. Wings allows you to add mobile specific elements like a mobile action bar. So this bar includes buttons for calling, messaging, or navigating to your location. To add that mobile action bar or any elements, you can add or click on add button at the top left, and then from here you can select any of the elements, and then you can customize it to fit your needs. Then ensure that your text and images are also optimized for mobile viewing. For example, if you're going back to your website, so I'm going to click on the website here. So basically, you can optimize some of the images. Just click on it. And also large font size for readability and make sure images are approximately sized. So click on any text or image element to adjust its properties, and what looks good on desktop might need tweaking for mobile. So before publishing, preview your mobile site to see how it looks. Click on the preview button as you can see right here, and then you can navigate through the site to ensure everything looks good and works expected. Then you can click on the publish button at the top right if you're satisfied with your mobile site. And here, as you can see, your site is now optimized for both desktop and mobile visitors. And that's it. You've successfully created a mobile version of our Wings website. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more web design tips and tutorials. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.